Hey everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today for this week's Friday haul. It's Friday, February 10th. I hope everybody is doing great. Things are good here. I got some shopping done this week. I did a bunch of projects that I'll show you some of them, and I did choose a winner for my giveaway from last week's haul video. So stay tuned for that. All right, so we're going to start with Dollar Tree. I guess I just went once this week, maybe twice, I forget. But I did find a couple of good things. I found this pillowcase that I've been seeing other people haul. So I did pick one up. It comes in blue as well. And it's 15.748 inches square. So it'll be good for like a square 16-inch like pillow. So let's open it up and take a look at it. It looks kind of shiny in the package, like shiny canvas. I don't know if it's like supposed to be for outside or what, but let's see. Okay. It's actually really cute. And I think it would be fine for like a covered porch outside. It's got a zipper on it. That's pretty cool. I didn't expect that. I thought it would just be like an envelope closure. So yeah, that's really cute. I didn't get blue because I don't really like blue in my Easter decorating. I don't know why. I just like whenever there's too much blue in a piece of decor, I really don't gravitate towards it. So anyway, I just got the pink one and I think it's super cute. So this is not Raise the bunny on it. It's just part of the design, but I really like the stitching detail, you know, faux stitching and the shadow that's there. Very cute. All right, so I got that. And then I thought this was a good find. I remember seeing these at Walmart last year, but they're Peeps Bunny Mini String Lights, and I don't know why I did not get two of these, but I just got one, and it uses 2 AA batteries, and they had a tester in the store. They looked really cute. Oh, it says distributed by Greenbrier, so maybe the ones at Walmart were different. Maybe they had 20 or something, but I thought this was a great deal. So I plan to just put these like in a bowl, you know, with the decor in it for Easter. So got those. And then I got these mini carrots. I don't remember seeing these before. They might have had them in years past, but I overlooked them, I guess. So it comes with 18 pieces and they're just like little, they feel like foam carrots. I thought they'd be good to add to decor or even projects. And I finally found some of this trim for Valentine's Day. I think there's a white one out too, but they didn't have that. But these are just 3/8 inch wide and 3 yards. So there's a pink one and a red one, and they're kind of like iridescent. So those are really cute. So I'm glad I found those finally. And then they had some storage out at this Dollar Tree that I went to. I love these baskets. I use them in my craft room to store like stamps and embossing folders and stuff like that. So I picked up 2 more of this style. And then I got 2 of this one. This I was thinking more for like my linen closet. So I got these 2. They're like long and narrow. And then I got 2 ones with the same like daisy design, but they're bigger and square, and they're already in my linen closet, so I can't show you those, but did get them. Love that color. And then I found a couple more of these like wood pieces, and these are the bunny ones. They also come in an egg shape. I had gotten these last year, so I was glad to find them again. I mean, they're kind of rough. You just have to sand them a little bit. But I was working on the ones from last year, and I showed these on Instagram, so I wanted to show you guys too. So I painted them and made them look like cookies. So this is like what it started out with, and this is how it ended up. And somebody did ask me for a tutorial, but I do have a tutorial on my channel for similar ones that I made at Christmas time, not last year, but the year before. So if you're looking for a tutorial on how to make these look like cookies, go ahead and check that one out. If you really want a specific bunny one, I could do that too, but it's the same principle. But for this one, isn't that cute? I love that bunny face. I used this color paint to paint it, and it's from Target. It's the color Gooey Marshmallow, and it's like a, you know, creamy white, not white. So I used that to paint the cookie, and I put, I think, just 2 coats on there. And then I used this color from Apple Barrel from Walmart. This is light mocha. And I painted like the bottom layer of the cookie in that color. And then I kind of dry brushed a little bit onto the edge so it looked like it was baked. And once I had that all painted, then I used some glossy Mod Podge and just covered the whole cookie with that, let it dry. And then for the eyes and the ears and everything, I used some glossy, not glossy, puffy paint. I used this one for the eyes and stuff, and then I used a pink one too, and I sprinkled some glitter on the ears before it dried. So really cute, right? And then I made another one too, just a little bit different. This one I did like a full covering of the white, and then I used some aqua for some of the features on it as well. So I like both of them. I probably should have added some pink in the ears too, but I'm just going to leave it like that. It takes a long time for the puffy paint to dry if you lay it on thick like that. So, you know, a couple days, so just be aware. So there's that, and I will make some more of those. They're really fun to make. And I think that was it from Dollar Tree. Yeah. Okay, and today is Thursday. I went to Joann's to pick up an order because they have like 20 or 25% off your pickup order. I wish they would have it just, you know, in store as well. I don't know why they just do pickup orders, but I mean, I guess they want you just to pick up your order. But I don't know. I like to go shopping myself and pick stuff out. So anyway, I wanted to pick up this fabric. Isn't that so cute? It's like a teal background, and it's got these cute little bunnies on here, just really sweet, and flowers, and they're in different poses. This was on sale for $6.99. It was, let me see if I could see on the selvage. No, it doesn't say, but it was just, you know, like the Joann's brand. And so yeah, it was on sale for $6.99 a yard plus the 20% off. So that was a good deal for this fabric. I just picked up a yard. And then in my order, I also got these paper plates because the strawberries, they're so cute. And these were $5.99 for 8, which is crazy, but they were on sale for $3 something, and then I had the 20% off. So I figured, all right, I'll get that, but oof, they're expensive. So that's all I got from Joann's. I did walk around, but I didn't get anything. I just picked up my my order. And let me just move this out of the way, and I'll be right back. So everything here I got from Dollar General, if you can believe it. And I have Gina, who is Scrapinology, to thank for this. Thank you so much, Gina. She posted on Instagram that Dollar General had a whole new like stationery paper crafting section. And, you know, I live in New York, and it usually takes a while for the new things to get out here, but I was driving by Dollar General today, and I thought, what the heck, I'll just stop in and check. And they did. They had a whole new aisle of stationery stuff, and it's mostly American crafts. So it was just incredible to see all of this American craft stuff. The paper looked very cheap. You know, it looked like an American Crafts ripoff, even though it was American Crafts, so I didn't get that. They had lots of pens, they had paper clips, they had sticky dots, you know, like pop dots. What else? Cards, like alpha stickers, some other stuff. Gina posted pictures on her Instagram if you want to see, but I'll show you what I got. And yeah, so first of all, this was just regular Dollar General stuff. These were only $1, and they didn't have these last time I went. Looked like they just put them out. So they're Valentine's Day decor, and they're wood blocks with little beads in between, and they have loops on the end. So I thought these were really cute. So I got Love, the XOXO, which turned around, but you can see like right there, and then Hugs. So super cute little decoration pieces. And then these were all American Crafts. I think, well, this is Paper Mate. They have this whole like pen display with different kinds of inks and like some highlighters, some gel pens. This was Ink Joy and lots of different colors. This one is teal. And I just love the color, and I love Ink Joy pens. They just write so smoothly. So I picked that up, $2. All these things were $2 except for the cutting mat. They had Pebbles banner kits. So they had different colorways. So I got the pink and the light blue. It's a little minty, but mostly blue. So it comes with the very thin like twine or thread on the top. So you can make a banner if you want. And then all these different like kinds of paper. So I won't make a banner with it, I'm sure, but look at that gingham. Isn't that pretty? I think I'll just probably use it for paper. And the kind of paper it is, it's like, you know, decent cardstock. It's pretty thick actually. So really nice, right? For $2. And then I think it's the same patterns, but just in this blue color. Yeah. They might have had other ones, maybe one or two, but these were the only colors that I liked. So I got that. And then they had Sweet Story stickers, $2. They also had I think it was a Pebbles kind that was it was kind of a juvenile, but this one I thought was really, really cute. And yeah, by American Crafts, and it's got 2 rolls of stickers, 138, so nice, right? And then they had a few things of stamps. One had, I think it was alphas or numbers. And then another one had like, I don't know, some other kinds of like, I remember there was a heart on them. I should have taken pictures, but I was just so excited I didn't even think of it. So anyway, I got this set that has all the different words on them, and they're kind of big, but sometimes you do need bigger words, especially if you're doing like a card front and you just want the word on there, like a thank you or something. And then it has happy day. You could put happy heart day, happy love day, congrats, beautiful day. So $2 for this. I mean, I'm sure Tuesday Morning would even charge more for that. And this was from this year, so maybe I guess they have a new contract with Dollar General. And then this was $6. This is an American Crafts self-healing mat. And I like this because, well, the color, obviously, it's beautiful. And it's square, which is really nice. I don't have a square self-healing mat. And look how thick it is. I thought it was 2 at first, but no, it's like just one, you know, just one. It's pretty thick. It's like 1/8 of an inch maybe. So yeah, double-sided. I didn't even realize that. So one side has the white markings and the other one has the black. So that is cool. They only had a couple of these, so I was glad to find that. I thought $6 was a great price. So that's everything I got from Dollar General. That's it for my haul. Check out my video from, well, not yesterday now, it was on Wednesday, but I showed these little pies and how to make them. So aren't they so cute? They're little pin cushions, or you can use them for tiered tray decor. And I even show you how to make the little pins as well and how to stamp the tag. So there's that. That's my video before this one. And let's go ahead and get started onto the winner of my giveaway. So the winner will be getting a box of handmade goodies, a lot of Valentine's Day, but some Easter as well, because I've been making a lot of Easter things too. So I did the random comment picker, and everyone who wrote #HeartDay was entered. So the winner is Just LM. So Just LM, congratulations. Please email me down below and let me know your mailing address, and I will send out your package right away so you can get stuff. It probably won't get there in time for Tuesday, maybe, but hopefully soon, because Tuesday is Valentine's Day. So let's see, I feel like I wanted to show you something else. Oh yes, I was working with modeling material, and I had hauled this a while ago, and I wanted to, or I told you I would come on and tell you how I liked it. And it's really cool. It's just like, it's kind of like clay, but it's a lot smoother and it's not as messy, and you can use your silicone molds. Just press it in there, and then it takes a day to dry, and then you can paint it or do whatever you want with it after. So I did make a couple of shapes. I used some Frank Garcia molds, some other like silicone molds I have in my stash. I didn't paint them or anything, but I just wanted to show you how they came out. They're really cute and they're nice and hard. This one I did paint. It's a little heart, so I used some pink acrylic paint. You know, it doesn't look great, but I guess it's okay. So there are those. And then I made this as well. I had this little ice cream cone bowl in my stash, and I've made things like this before, but I pressed some of that modeling material inside of it, and just to make like the you know, like the ice cream that goes into the cone. And then I took it out and let it dry, and then when it was dry I painted it pink and put some Mod Podge on it and then glued it back inside. And then I used one of these little like swirly whipped cream tops from Allie and glued that on. Actually, I didn't glue that on. I used white Nouveau drops for the like icing, or not icing, I guess it's more like syrup or whatever it is, topping, like a marshmallow topping. That's what I think it looks like. So I put that on there, then stuck the cabochon on top of that. I added some little banana and heart clay sprinkles, and then I stuck this little plastic spoon in there before it dried as well, so it would just stick on there. So isn't that cute? You know, you can make this as a charm, I guess. I don't know if I would hang it from that, but it's more like a decor piece, you know, to put in a tier tray or something. So really cute, right? I think that was a great use for that modeling material. So wanted to share that. And yeah, I guess that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, just LM, send me an email and I will get this package out to you. I will try to make a video of everything that I send before I seal it up, if I remember. And I have more tutorials coming. I have some things that I ordered that will be coming in soon, so I'll show those next week. Thank you everyone for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Take care, everybody. Bye.